We are on the Carnival Ecstasy, room U162, OceanView. This is the bathroom. Hi, everybody. Nice size. Gonna pan around. Say hi to Lena.
Hi, guys.
Open the closet for mommy. Closet. Pretty much all the same. All right, you have one. Can you open this one for me?
Yes, I can.
Safe. And on the Carnival Ecstasy, there are no refrigerators. So you have a mirror, nice area. It's roomy. It's 3 of us in here, so king size bed. They're gonna come and pull down the other bed for Delana. Cute little TV. Excuse our mess. And OceanView. We are at the Port of Mobile in Mobile, Alabama. And again, we are in U162, OceanView room. Have any questions about the Carnival Ecstasy? Drop them in the comments and I'll answer them. Bye, guys.